Following graduation in the fall, I will be attending the University of Missouri, Kansas City to pursue a double master's degree, one in choral conducting and the other in vocal performance with a concentration in vocal pedagogy. Aside from the many classes that we have to go through, like theory and musicianship and keyboard training and all of those things, Mercer's just given me a lot of opportunities to utilize those skills that I've been honing privately on a stage or in front of people since I want to be a teacher. It's just provided me many opportunities to showcase those abilities. Each year they have the Lessons and Carols concert the Mercer Singers performs for at St. Joe's Cathedral downtown in Macon. And I remember the first time walking into that space. But it is so ornate and so beautiful, and just the sounds that are able to carry in that room are like nothing I've ever experienced. So that is definitely my most memorable experience. The achievements I am most proud of from my time here at Mercer would definitely be being able to mentor the students that came after me. You know, helping them with their theory homework or musicianship assessments, being able to pour what I know into the ones that came after me is definitely the most proud accomplishment from my time at Mercer. Growing up together in these hallways and in this building, developing, stepping into our own, and just honing our skills side by side has just been something that I'll cherish forever. The faculty too, they are my professors, but they are extremely amazing mentors that I have just been able to be a sponge around, soaking up all that I can. As an educator, I get to pour into so many students that walk into my room, class after class after class, and though they all may not go off and be music educators or go off and be these world-renowned performers, the beauty and the skills we cultivate in that choir room are going to change the world because it makes better people. So making better people makes a better world.